You see over there? What? Yeah. It's flew away now. Daddies, you are so serious. You're watching the bird, mommy. Don't bugging me. You can see? Huh? You can see? You can see or not? Yeah. It's too far from here, mommy. You see that? Two on the fence. Look. See? They are, huh? Aidan can see them, huh? Yes. 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 Look at him. He's really watching like this. You see the bird? Don't make noise, huh? Shh, like that. Like that.
Call the experts at Bonnie. We eliminate the guesswork of sewer repair with state-of-the-art technology. With Bonnie's inline sewer inspection cameras and video monitors, we can pinpoint and show the problem, provide a video of the results, and an exact quote up front. And with Bonnie's trenchless sewer line replacement, we can replace your sewer line without avoiding the inconvenience while saving your time and money.
Tired? Yeah, I know. I bet that style you make like this very long. Coughing season in California. I know. Everybody get coughing. Oh, yeah.